Good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning I am going to be showing you a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro convertible. Now this car is a 396 engine, 4-speed manual transmission. It has power steering, power brakes. As you can see, it's black with red interior, with a black convertible top with a red boot. It does have power brakes with disc brakes on the front. It is badged as an SS. I do not have the build sheet for this car, so I don't have a way of proving that. It is a very, very nice car. It's super clean inside and outside. The paint and body on this car is very nice. As you can see, it has a 12-bolt rear end in it, Flowmaster mufflers, dual exhaust. Beautiful car. You can look down the sides of this car. The body and the paint on this car are very, very nice. BF Goodrich radial TA raised white letter tires, the correct rally wheels with the caps and rings. The chrome bumpers front and rear on this car look beautiful. I'd say this car was probably restored 15 to 20 years ago, and it still looks great. Still shows great. Just a really, really nice car. Interior, very nice. Seats are in good shape. Carpet looks nice. Dash pad's great. 4-speed with the factory console with all the gauges in it. Factory tack dash. Now, when I bought this car, the gentleman told me it was a real L78 car, which it does not have the correct L78 engine in it. So I'm just going to tell you that it's 68 Camaro convertible with a big block and a 4-speed. If you find out later that it's a L78, well, that's a bonus for you, I guess. But I just call things like I see them, and it does not. It has a 1969 dated 396 in it. It does have the tack dash, as I mentioned, with the clock, and look at that. The clock even works. This car runs good, it sounds good, it drives good, goes down the road very nice, does have a power top, does have the deluxe interior. About the only flaw I can find on the interior, honestly, has one little spot on this little panel here, the paint's rubbed off, and one little spot right here where it's a little bit of the paint is coming through. Outside of that, the interior is gorgeous in the car. Looks like it's got a brand new boot. The top is in excellent shape. As I said, it is a power top. I'll open the trunk up here and show you the inside of the trunk, and then we'll go on to the underneath the hood. There we go. Inside trunk's very nice. Does have a matching BF Goodrich spare tire. Spackle painted inside the trunk. A car cover. Even has a nice cover there for your boot. All your jams on this car are very nice. Trunk jams, door jams. All your seals are in good shape. They're nice and soft. They're not hard and dried out. I will have underneath pictures of this car available online. There we go. There's the under the hood. Underneath the hood's very nice. Very nicely detailed under there. Just a beautiful car with black with that white stripe around the front. White stripe down the side. keys out here. We'll start this car up for you. You hear it run. The odometer shows 986 miles. I'm not sure if that's since the car was restored. That's probably would be my guess. Wipers work, horn works, lights and dash light works. Even your brake light indicator works when you set the parking brake. Parking brake works. The only gauge I see down there that's not working is the gas gauge. Radio turns on. If I can get any sound out of it. Blower motor works. Left turn, right turn. I don't know if the cigarette lighter works or not. This has just got a plug on it, so I don't think anybody's going to be using that cigarette lighter to light too many cigarettes going down the road. But tail lights, turn signal, side marker lights. It's a hot day out here in Iowa today. Feels like it's 110 in the shade. Headlights, turn signal. Just a great running and driving car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kinyonauto.com. KINION auto.com. Clarence, Iowa. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. You can see that speedometer jumps around a little bit. I'm just honest and upfront with you about all the cars. We sell these cars all over the country and all over the world, and we focus on honesty and integrity, and we'll tell you exactly what these cars are. This car is absolutely gorgeous. The paint, body, interior, undercarriage, under the hood, very, very nice car. Somebody's going to be real happy with this car. Heck, I'm real happy with this car, especially on a warm day like this, going down the road with that breeze hitting your top of your head. Man, that's nice. Car drives really nice, steering's tight, brakes are good. Just a super, super nice car. Give us a call today, 563-452-2450. Again, kinyonauto.com. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye now.